Let's dive into a crucial aspect of protecting your telecom equipment from the unpredictable forces of nature. Lightning strikes can pose a serious threat to your valuable assets. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing lightning arrestors to fortify your telecom setup. Before we jump into the installation process, let's quickly understand what a lightning arrestor does. A lightning arrestor is a device designed to divert lightning strikes away from sensitive equipment, preventing damage and downtime. This is especially important for industries that operate in harsh weather conditions. For example, telecom equipment, especially antennas, is often installed at elevated positions to ensure better signal coverage. This elevation makes them more susceptible to lightning strikes as they are more likely to be the highest point in the surrounding area, thus attracting lightning. Additionally, telecom equipment typically contains metal components, such as antennas, towers, and cables. Metal is a good conductor of electricity, and structures made of metal provide a direct path for lightning to follow. Lightning can cause significant damage as it travels through these conductive materials. Furthermore, coaxial cables used in telecom setups can act as conduits for lightning energy. Lightning can induce strong currents in these cables, potentially damaging connected equipment. Without proper protection, these cables become vulnerable points for lightning-related damage. Telecom equipment is often connected to power lines and electrical systems. Lightning strikes can induce surges in the power lines, leading to the entry of harmful currents into the telecom infrastructure. This can damage sensitive electronic components. Another reason that telecom equipment can be susceptible to lightning is inadequate grounding, and isolation measures can make telecom equipment more susceptible to lightning strikes. Without proper grounding, there is no effective path for the lightning energy to dissipate safely into the ground, increasing the risk of damage to the equipment. Telecom equipment is frequently located in remote areas, such as cell towers in rural locations. These sites may lack the lightning protection infrastructure found in more urban environments, making them more vulnerable to lightning strikes. Additionally, telecom equipment is designed to operate continuously, and disruptions can have significant consequences. Lightning strikes can cause downtime by damaging or destroying critical components, leading to service outages and potential financial losses. There are many different types of surge lightning protection devices to suit different types of equipment. For example, wireless systems have different protectors than wired systems. Be sure to consult a professional on the best type to use. Before you begin, make sure to power off all telecom equipment. Ensure you're wearing appropriate safety gear, and if possible, work with a partner. Here's what you'll need for an onshore installation. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. Lightning arrestor kit, mounting brackets, coaxial cables, grounding materials, copper wire, grounding rods, appropriate tools. Take a close look at your telecom setup and identify vulnerable points where a lightning strike could cause damage. Common entry points include antenna connections and power lines. Next, attach the mounting brackets to a secure structure, ensuring they are grounded. This will be the foundation for installing the lightning arrestor. Use appropriate tools to secure the brackets in place. Sometimes a separate earthing cable is used for grounding instead of a bracket connection, especially when mounting outside the cabinets where mounting bracket plate doesn't have solid connection to earth. Then, connect the coaxial cables from your telecom equipment to the lightning arrestor. Make sure the connections are tight and secure. This step is crucial for diverting the electrical surge away from your equipment. Grounding is key to the effectiveness of lightning arrestors. Drive grounding rods into the ground and connect them to the grounding terminals on the lightning arrestor. This provides a safe path for electrical energy to dissipate harmlessly into the ground. Double-check all connections, ensuring they are secure. Once you're confident in your installation, power up your telecom equipment. Your telecom equipment is now safe from surges and lightning strikes, improving the reliability, durability, and efficiency of your telecom systems. Stay tuned for more videos on telecom, IT, and ELV systems for harsh and hazardous environments.